Hello everybody, Namaste. How are you doing? I hope you're still motivated to do some creative work. I intend to upload a few decoupage videos beginning with a very basic one. First let's see what are the material required for our project. We're going to need a primer. We're going to need some decoupage glue. Here I have a glossy and a matte one. This is gesso that can be used instead of the primer. Mod Podge can also be used instead of the glue. Of course, we need some napkins. You get beautiful napkins in the market, for which I will be giving a link in my description box. To begin with, we will start with decoupaging this metal box that I have here into something like this. Decoupage can be done on wood, MDF, metal, glass, fabric. I will also be showing you some of my projects in the upcoming videos. So I hope you stay tuned and watch them. Please comment, like and subscribe for all these videos. So let's start. First we will apply a primer to the metal box, either with a brush or with the sponge dabber. We use primer because it is cheap and our project becomes pocket friendly. We have to go ahead and apply the primer everywhere. Let it dry. At least 2 coats of primer will be necessary. After applying my primer and it has dried, we will be applying acrylic paint or chalk paint if you want. I will be applying white acrylic paint as the base of my napkin is white. After applying my white acrylic paint, I will keep it for drying. In the meanwhile, I should prepare my napkin. I will tear without using scissors. These napkins are usually very thin and we need to remove all the layers till we get the most transparent uppermost layer. Sometimes it does get a little complicated, but we have to remove all the layers. Usually there are 2 layers. Then we will tear around the image we want for the project. We will place it on the box and check and tear around the image that we do not want. After I am satisfied with the placement, I will apply decoupage glue onto the box evenly. So this way I am ready with my image and I am satisfied. I will use my decoupage glue and I will start working onto the box. I will be applying it evenly, not too much, not too little, so that there are no bubbles coming onto the napkin. We will stick all the edges around the image, then fasten them down and apply glue all over the image as well. So in this way, I will be applying glue everywhere and over the image as well. Once I am done with the drying of the glue, I shall be working around the image. We're going to highlight the parts of the image that need to be highlighted and paint around the image in this way so that it blends into the background very well. We don't want the napkin part to be seen. That is why we're going to be working on the image in this way so that it acts like a painted part of the box. We're gonna draw around the image in this way. So just a part of creativity, however you want to decorate your other parts, and our project is ready. We finish the project with a coat of varnish. I hope you will try this. I hope you have enjoyed watching it. Please comment. Thank you. God bless.